Before starting the repair, place a few sheets of paper in the paper tray. Then, turn off the printer. First, we'll run a manual test print to identify which colors are causing the problem. When the printer is completely powered off, press and hold the stop button, then press the power button. Hold both buttons for 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't worry if the lights start blinking. The printer is working in the background. Just wait. Soon, it will print a nozzle check pattern. All right, here it is. This is called a nozzle check sheet. At the top, you should see a solid yellow line with no gaps. On the side, there should be continuous black lines, and at the bottom, some black text. Based on this result, we can confirm that the black and yellow ink are not printing properly, or the printhead may be clogged. Now we'll try the easiest repair method, manual head cleaning without a computer. Press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. The head cleaning process has started. You'll notice the power light blinking and the printer making some noise. This process takes about 3 minutes. After a few minutes, the power light will stop blinking. This means the first head cleaning is complete. Now turn off the printer. We'll perform another nozzle check. Place a few more sheets of paper into the paper tray. Press and hold the stop button and the power button together for 5 seconds, then release both. If the first cleaning doesn't improve the print quality, repeat the head cleaning up to 3 times with a 1-minute pause between each cleaning. Let's assume this is already the third cleaning, and the ink issue still remains. In that case, we'll move on to the next method. Method 2. Ink flushing using a syringe. For this step, you'll need to open the printer cover. Your Epson printer model may open differently, but the repair method is the same, so don't worry. Once opened, secure the cover so it doesn't fall. Prepare a 10 milliliter syringe or larger, then cut the tip like this. Press down on each ink damper, then gently push the printhead fully to the right. Next, locate and pull out the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. On some models, the tube position may be slightly different. Insert the syringe into the end of the waste ink tube. Slowly pull the plunger and hold it until ink starts flowing into the syringe.
Once the syringe fills with ink, slowly release the plunger and make sure it doesn't pull back. Now, go to the left side of the printer, find the front gear, and rotate it counterclockwise a few times. Push the printhead to the right, then gently move it to the center. Carefully clean this area. This part is called the capping station. It pulls ink during head cleaning and keeps the printhead moist. You can clean it gently using a dry tissue. Next, pull the syringe plunger once more, then disconnect it from the waste ink tube. Reattach the waste ink tube securely back into the maintenance box. Now, let's run the manual nozzle check again. Press and hold the stop button and the power button for 5 seconds, then release. And here it is. The result looks perfect. The black and yellow ink are printing clearly again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.